Our original C330 was a serial award winner. Now you can enjoy its remarkable volume, comfort and sportiness with the added convenience of outboard motors. The notched transom is designed to take two 300 horsepower engines, giving you speeds of up to 40 knots. Quiet, effortless, and so much fun. This is a boat that will have you fall in love with the sea again. With design from the world-famous Bill Dixon, you can be sure the hull will deliver a safe, comfortable ride in any conditions. Drop the hook wherever you choose. Our electric windlass gives you real control. Then experience the many facets of freedom this yacht can offer. There are generous relaxing spaces on the sun pads forward and aft. Easy access to the water is guaranteed via the bathing platform. High-quality fabrics allow you to create your own style on the sea, and the unmistakable feel of real teak decking. The Sealine C330v makes outdoor living possible. Simply swing open the window, fold out the bar, and convert the sunpad into a seat for instant al fresco dining. Set the tempo for whatever atmosphere you want. Adjust the built-in awning to give the perfect shade in the cockpit. Then revel in the peace and exclusive style of your own personal home on the sea. We've taken care of all the useful little details, like a drinks fridge in the cockpit, while the oven and the gas hob are cleverly built into the saloon cabinets, ready for you just when you want them. The saloon makes the perfect backdrop for a cozy meal with breathtaking views. And when you've finished, drop the table and convert it into a huge lounger. Being a true all-weather yacht, the interior provides a perfect haven. But it's more than a cozy retreat. Headroom in the master cabin is the best in its class. Large hull windows and hatches fill the space with natural light. Even inside, you feel outside. And when you need it, our intelligent touch controller lets you set the ambience. There's natural ventilation and built-in blinds too. You'll always have the right thing to wear thanks to the C330's generous clothes storage. Even the shower room is a work of art, with designer fittings and a big window to make the most of your surroundings. That's the Sealine difference. There's convenient driver-side access from the deck to the helm, the nerve center of the boat. Open the electric sunroof and you're driving a cabriolet, fully connected to the elements with the sun on your face. Check the chart plotter on the stylish black and white console. A few adjustments, and you're off. The C330v is quite simply a delight to drive. Powerful and responsive, stable and super smooth at any speed. You'll just want the world to know you're having fun. Of course, there's more than one way to enjoy a yacht. That's why we've made space for a huge cockpit locker that is capable of stowing all your favorite toys. We don't believe there's another boat in its class that can match the Sealine C330v for volume, style, or sheer fun. The versatility of its inside-outside layout and the comfort of the two double cabins below deck set it apart from the rest. And the choice of high-quality fabric and wood finishes, painstakingly assembled by our experienced craftsmen, allow you to make a real statement. All that with the reliability of German engineering inside. Well, that is something to celebrate. Creating unforgettable moments on the water